What's up, everybody? Right behind me is the Marble Arch in Hyde Park. And on this episode of American Travel Family, we're going to show you all about our hotel, the Hard Rock, London. The Hard Rock London is a large property on the corner of Oxford Street and Park Lane. Also, only a 30-minute stroll from Buckingham Palace. Right outside the door is Oxford Street, with a ton of shopping, restaurants, and pubs. There's also a tube station on the street which will give you all access to the city. Now let's rock on and head inside and check out this cool property. The hotel has a rock and roll vibe which surrounds you the moment you enter. There is always great rock and roll music playing in the lobby and throughout the hotel, and the Hard Rock also pays tribute to former residents of the hotel such as Jimi Hendrix, Diana Ross, Stevie Wonder, and Madonna, with awesome memorabilia all throughout the lobby and hotel. This is one of my favorite pieces. This piano in the lobby is actually Freddie Mercury's piano, which was in his home in the 1960s when his family arrived here in England. Freddie played this piano as a teenager before he hit mega stardom. This is such a cool piece. Alright, next up, Brooke is leading us to the lobby bar. This is the GMT Bar, and it's got a great 360-degree wraparound counter. They've got great mixologists on hand, and it's described as the ultimate urban hangout and the perfect place to sit back and soak up the hard rock atmosphere and even watch the live music on stage in the evenings. It's a great place to grab an aperitivo or after dinner drink, and they also have tasty milkshakes for the kids. All the seating down below is the Hard Rock Cafe, Oxford Street, which has a savory menu with great food. Some of our favorites were the sliders and tater tots. The menu has everything from American comfort food like mac and cheese to cocktails and coffee. It's a very popular dining spot for hotel guests like us and also locals, so we highly recommend you book a table in advance, especially if it's on the weekend. Another highlight here is the Bottomless brunch, which we'll talk about later.
They have tea here.
That's right, we are in England, so of course you can book an afternoon tea here. There's memorabilia all over this hotel. Here's George Michael's coat. Alright, next up is one of the girls' favorite places. It's called the Rock Shop, and it's the gift shop where you can score the best Hard Rock London memorabilia while you're here. Like this classic Hard Rock London logo tee. They do collabs with local designers often, and when we were there was a lot of stuff designed with the Beatles in mind. It's a great place to pick up a souvenir or gift for anyone back home. Now let's head over to the VIP lounge, which was a special treat for us. This was under construction when we were there, but the Constant Grind coffee shop is now open 24 hours a day. So this is it, the Rock Royalty Lounge. This lounge is a private lounge included for guests who have booked Rock Royalty rooms. This lounge was awesome and we spent a lot of time here. It begins at arrival when they bring you back here for a private check-in with a champagne toast and drinks for the kids. The lounge was always pretty quiet. We always took a break here to relax and rest and plan out our next adventure. Throughout your stay, you have all access to this private lounge, and they have complimentary breakfast, lunch, afternoon tea, dinner, and our favorite, evening nibbles. There's also a pretty well-stocked bar with spirits, wine, and beer. Now let's check out some of the food.
Here's our evening nibbles. And actually the nibbles are a lot of food.
Yeah, it is. This is like full-on dinner.
I got a beet salad. Kinsey, look at that whole thing.
And we have more
mac and
food
cheese
coming for Parker.
And Parker's food is here. How's that mac and cheese, Kenzie?
Good.
We were out and about most of the time, but we did catch one of the afternoon teas.
I'm gonna do afternoon tea. Come on with me.
Of course, we're in London, so you have to have your afternoon tea. Every day they put out finger sandwiches and small desserts. It was nothing super fancy, but hey, you can't beat the hospitality. We have Kenzie.
They're like little tarts and stuff. Cookie.
And they have
chocolates like, oh, these are finger sandwiches over here. This is what I want right here. So like very classic. Egg, mayo, watercress, and white bread. Smoked salmon and cream cheese on brown bread. So first official tea.
Alright, I'm gonna get some food. See ya. Brooke also loved this automatic espresso machine, which made great drinks at any time during the day. As you can see, the hotel amenities in this Rock Royalty Lounge so far are awesome. Now let's head up to the room and see what the accommodations are really like.
Welcome to Rock Royalty. We are in our hotel in London. We're in our room. Elevator dance. Whoa! All right, lead us the way.
Somebody hit the grid.
5007. 5007.
Somebody hit the grid.
5007.
There's a lot of elevators. Oh, I love the stuff, the paintings on the wall. It's been a cool hotel so far.
Nope, we're this way, guys.
No, it's not out.
Well, I do this all the time.
I thought that was whatever.
You're waiting for us to go.
Let's see it.
Okay, hold that.
Let's let her pass.
Hi.
McKenzie.
Someone
Kenzie.
open the door. Oh.
Let him walk in. Then let
Welcome to our Rock Royalty room. Come on in.
All right, let's get a tour from our official room guide.
Rock and roll royalty. Welcome to London's Hard Rock Hotel Suite. So right over here, starting off with the entrance, is the guest bathroom. Right here, there's no shower in here, but it's a single, it's nice, it's well equipped. And over here, we're gonna have the closets, which are all of my stuff right now. And then another closet right here, and it has your safe. So if you need to stay safe with drawers down. And then right here is kind of like your family entertaining room. However, since we have two kids that are a little bit older, we gave Parker this pull-out sofa. And then we have over here the mini fridge and whatnot, and it comes fully stocked daily. So whatever you want, you just tell them, and then they'll fill it up. They also have the espresso, teas, a bunch of stuff. And then, oh yeah, and the tea condiments is down here. Then we got something a little special.
And real quick, this is so cool. You can ask them, since this is the Hard Rock Hotel, you can get a turntable with old school LPs and records, or an electric guitar, and they'll bring this to your room. We elected to get the old school turntable, and it actually plays music since none of us know how to play the electric guitar. But that is such a cool amenity, and it's included.
Okay, cool. And they have fun little features. We're going to get to the main room, but fun little features like this little mirror right here, which has all these singers' names on them, so you can compare your height. I think I'm about this Bob Dylan. I don't know. About Bob Dylan or...
You're taller than Madonna by an inch or two.
Oh, yes, definitely taller than Madonna. But like Ariana Grande, like she's only like 5'1" right here, so she comes up to here. Anyway, let's go to the main room where Kenzie is lounging with her shoes on.
What's up, Kenzie? Okay.
Okay. And this is where I kind of, actually I have a couple places I do my makeup. Anyway, one's here, nice TV, and it comes with like all these music options on the TV that you can do, and beautiful window over here. But let's go, first before we show them this view, let's go over here and show the bathroom.
Hello, Kenzie. So here's our fancy bathroom.
And there's another cute little features, like you just get it all throughout the room. Like, actually I think Kenzie's on the pillow. It just has like the hard rock, right? Just like little guitars and whatever. Stuff popping up. Look at it, it's even in the comforter. And anyway, this is the great view we have with this awesome, awesome window.
So right down there is the Marble Arch and Hyde Park right behind it. And over here you can kind of see more buildings. Oxford Street is down to the left, and you can see some of the double-decker red buses that London is famous for, and we went riding on those earlier. But what a view! And that is our suite.
That's
at the
our
Hard Rock.
suite at the Hard Rock. It's a great hotel. We loved it so far, and we're going to continue to like it for the next couple of days. So that's a wrap.
In the evenings, we'd like to head downstairs for some live entertainment.
The cool thing about the Hard Rock Hotel is every night there is a live band. And I think you can hear it right now in the background. All right, so we're going to enjoy our milkshake and our nightcap and listen to this live music. Check it out.
Here's another nice touch from the hotel.
Every night we have turn down service, and tonight we got Sweet Dreams are made of these, and it has a little chocolate box, and then they put water, all that kind of stuff. Oh my gosh, so cute. I love it.
Did you get something, Parker?
Same thing.
You got
Oh
chocolate.
yeah, there's Parker's.
Oh, cool.
After a good night's sleep, we had to head down the next morning and catch the Bottomless brunch. It was an all-you-can-eat buffet in the Hard Rock Cafe. Check this out. The kids love this machine. It was an automatic pancake maker. We had a lot of fun making our own pancakes, and they were really good. There were a ton of food options, and of course, we couldn't pass up the chocolate fondue fountain. It was a great start to the day to get our bellies full for the adventures ahead. Oh, and before we go, if walking around the city of London's not enough exercise for you, check out Body Rock, the Hard Rock Hotel's gym. They've got enough treadmills and weights to burn off all those extra calories that you've consumed throughout your stay. Well, that pretty much wraps up our overview of the Hard Rock Hotel in London. The hotel is in a great location just steps away from transportation like the tube and the bus. Also walking distance to Buckingham Palace. It's full of great amenities with a fun rock and roll vibe, nightly entertainment, and very accommodating rooms. We definitely recommend the Hard Rock Hotel for your stay in London. We had a lot of fun here, but now it's time to head out for another adventure.
We had so much awesome space here at the Hard Rock London, and we really loved it, and we got treated very well.
Yeah.
Onward to Paris, where we'll probably have a tinier room, but we're still gonna have a great time.
It's gonna be
and
equally
that's
as
just the way it
awesome,
is. That's
right?
just the way it is.
Yes.
So goodbye, Hard Rock Hotel London,
Goodbye.
and our awesome Rock Royalty Suite.
Yeah.
Be sure to follow us on TikTok and Instagram, and check out our website at AmericanTravelFamily.com.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more American Travel Family adventures.